Please welcome to Kids Toy First we need a marker. Then we draw a line and another line. Let's draw parallel into this line. In this video, we learn how to draw a house drawing step by step very easy. Left side we draw a line and right side we draw the same line and join it. Then start a new line to this and next line, and this is the final line. This is the upper portion of the house and here is the wall. We join it and the house is ready. Then we draw this line and here the tree beside this house. In the left side we draw house and the right side we draw tree. This is tree. This is the door of this house. We draw in parallel. Here is the window. This is the window of the house. Here some flower. Here is the flower garden to decorate the house. And there is a big window. This is big window. This is the first window and this is the second window. Here is a two big window of this house. And then there is a chimney of the kitchen. This is chimney of the house. Here we draw a sky, or you can say it cloud. And the last one is sun. This is the sun. Here the drawing is complete. Then redraw the house. draw Santa Claus. First we draw a circle. Then we draw a line like this. Here is like a flower, but it's not a flower. Look at this. Complete. Next step, we draw Santa Claus mouse. And here is the face. We draw cap line. Here we draw parallel line. It looks like a box. Here we draw the cap. First we draw a curved line. Then this small line and a small circle. Here is complete. Next we draw this line to here. 1, 2 curve, 3 curve. Then number 4 is here. And last we draw the last curve. Then we draw the Santa's eye. Where is the eye? Here we redraw this drawing with black sketch marker. So it looks beautiful. Our next step is coloring. Here is a red color. And we coloring the Santa's cap. Let's draw with me. Santa Claus cap color is red. This is red color. We draw Santa Claus cap. Complete and the mouth color is red. This is Santa Claus mouth. This is the yellow color. Draw the mouth with color. Let's draw it. The eye color is black. We done it with black marker or black sketch. here is done. First we draw a sketch on black marker. Then we draw some small line like this. This is very small line we draw. Next, draw the parallel line to it. Draw this line till the end. Here is the other line. We follow it and draw the same process. Two parallel line drawing is totally completed. Let's join it. Here we draw the wall using a line. This is a line and draw the line is right side. Then here is a straight line and join into it. This is pink color. The whole wall is pink color. Let's draw it. Another wall. This is green. We draw the color green. Let's draw the main part. This is almost completed. Here is the yellow color. Let's draw with yellow. Color it till the end. This is the blue color. We fill other part with this color. This drawing is almost